Hi, dear students. This is Harita Kasturi from PACE IIT and Medical Hyderabad. Let's go with your hydrocarbons chapter today for your home assignment 2 from your hydrocarbons chapter. And I want you to all go through your hydrocarbons chapter once for a better understanding of your questions here because once you go with the reactions, preparations of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, so preparations and properties both. So once you go through that once, you have it given to you in your modules. I want you to go with those 3 pages, that's it. And then you start doing the questions along with me. All right. Otherwise, also, it's fine. I'm going to revise each and every concept as per your question. All right. Now, hit it on with the first question, reaction with bromine with ethylene in the presence of NaCl. So reaction with bromine in the presence of ethylene. So what happens here? And in the presence of NaCl, bond breaks. So bromine, what? Bromine, single bond bromine हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे bond breaks down as your homolytic fission, free radicals are formed here. So here also the bond breaks down as free radicals. You have single dot here, single dot here. One bromine attacks this position, other bromine attacks this position. So you will be getting your bromine with a CH2 single bond carbon with CH2Br, the option A. Then when propylene is treated with chlorine at 500 degrees Celsius, allyl chloride is formed. Please remember this and please make it down as a point. When your enes at high temperatures, you will undergo substitution reactions, not addition reactions. Enes with low temperatures will undergo addition reactions. When your temperatures are not given to you, it means that it is at low temperatures. At low temperatures, you would go with your addition reactions, just addition, just like the question number 1. Question number 1, it is just addition reaction we went through. But at 500 degrees is a very high temperature to go with. So at such high temperature, substitution reactions are going on. So it will be your propylene, right? Propylene, I'm just drawing this propylene like this. This is how it is, right? So here a hydrogen, 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 hydrogen everywhere. So here you will be getting your substituted product, a substituted product, more stable product that you get here at this carbon, which is allyl carbon. Allyl carbon पे free radical is more stable, right? As compared to your carbon, double bonded carbon, right? So allyl and vinyl. Vinyl matlab double bonded carbon पे substitution is vinyl, and this is vinyl carbon, and this carbon is my allyl carbon. Allyl carbon पे positive charge or allyl carbon पे free radical is always stable. So you will get a stable product here. It is a free radical substitution reaction at your allyl position at high temperatures. All right. Next, ethene can be prepared by dehydration of ethanol. Which of the following conditions will not favor the formation? Large amount of H2SO4 will favor, high temperature will favor, large amount of ethanol will not favor. You're giving so much of a basic medium there, it will not be favored, right? Next, then hydrocarbon C5H8 cannot have what? Cannot have a double bond and triple bond. Just try, check it out. You cannot draw a double bond and triple bond both together in C5H8 molecule. I want you to do that and check it out. Next, identify the product formed on addition of excess HOCl to propine. What is propine? Carbon, carbon, double bond, triple bond, carbon. This is my propine and excess of HOCl. Now, what is HOCl? HOCl will split up into OH minus and Cl plus. The split always goes this way. And here, carbon, triple bond carbon, you have, they will be split down as here the second middle carbon will attain a positive charge and the terminal carbon is attaining a negative, because middle carbon pe positive charge indicates this is a 2-degree carbon. 2-degree pe carbocation is more stable. So positive will be attacked on with your OH and Cl plus is attacking on your carbon minus. So what is the product you're getting there? Carbon, single bond carbon, double bond carbon, and जो positive carbon था उसके ऊपर you get an OH there, and then the last carbon will get a chlorine there. Do you observe this as an enol? Enol, this is ene with all alcohol. Enol जहां पर भी होता है वहां पे tautomerism happens there. So what happens in tautomerism? The hydrogen which is attached to the more electronegative element will come out as H plus, which means oxygen के ऊपर जो hydrogen है, that oxygen is grabbing the electron of hydrogen, thereby O minus बन गया and ये H plus बन के बाहर, right? Now O minus puts in as a bond. Now single bond O minus का nature क्या है? Always O minus will put in as a bond, तो double bond बन जाएगा. So you are getting a double bond on the top, left side 1, right side 2, total 5 bonds on carbon is not acceptable. Carbon should have only 4 bonds there. So which means you have to break down this bond, take this electron to that side, ये Cl minus बन, C पे minus बन गया. Okay, which means now this product is carbon single bond carbon double bond O बन गया, and ये H plus जो छूट गया ना, this H plus fellow, this fellow who went out, this will come on to this carbon negative. तो क्या हुआ हमारा प्रोडक्ट में, क्या आया? This is carbon with Cl with a hydrogen here I got, right? So C double bond O with CH2Cl. That is what it is. C double bond O with CH2Cl. Next, moving on. The order of, longest carbon to carbon single bond will be single bonds, matlab longest bonds. It is found in your single bonds, longest bonds. It is found in a pure molecule of alkene. Alkenes, shorter bonds. Alkynes, shortest of all. More the electronegativity, length becomes small because you need to share more, you have to come closer. So you're sharing only one electron each, which means you are at this length. You are sharing 2 electrons each, you have to come closer. You are sharing 3 electrons each, you have to come even more closer, right? So more electron density, shorter bond length, you can write. Shorter bond length, more electron density, shorter bond length. Okay, so you are talked about single bonds. Single bonds will be always the longest bonds, right? Next, order of stability of 3 alkenes. The more substituted alkyl carbons, alkyl groups attached to the double bonded carbon, that would be more stable, right? So if I have to say, then I can see here 2 R groups and 2 R groups. Yes, this is option 1. This is number 1, I would say. And where are those things placed? If I have to see R2C, R2, here I can see. And yeah, in all these 3 positions, I can see that. All these 4 positions, I mean. Right. Then comes up my, how many R groups? Then comes my, this is my second position, I would say. Then this is it, and this one. So option D is my answer there. So the more and more substituted alkyl groups on your carbon, double bonded carbon, that would be more stable. Please write that point also. When you have more substituted alkyl groups on your double bonded carbons will be given as more stable groups. Next, dehydrohalogenation of 2-bromobutane with alcoholic KOH. So how do we do that? Yeah, so we are going to try doing that now. Let us draw the reaction. 2-bromobutane, 1 2 3 4, 2-bromo, second position pe you have bromo attached with alcoholic KOH. Do you remember this? Alcoholic KOH will always go with elimination reactions. So bromine will take away the electron, Br minus ban jayega, carbon pe positive. Now carbon pe positive bante hi, the other carbon, the neighboring carbon will be helping it. Neighboring carbon, one on the left side, one on the right side, but I would say one on the left side will be helping it more because this is a 2-degree carbon. 2-degree carbon हाइड्रोजन छोड़ के हाइड्रोजन H plus बन के बाहर हो जाएगा, दिस कार्बन पे नेगेटिव, एंड कार्बन पे नेगेटिव आते ही बॉन्ड बना देगा. सो कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन टू कार्बन, that is what you're going to get here. Or this is your major product, okay? Or I would say, if right side carbon, the terminal carbon is going to help you. If your terminal carbon helps you, matlab this carbon, the star mark carbon is going to help you, then you are going to get this product in this manner, right? Because yahan se aa jayega substitute karke, this one you will get. So you will get both the products here as but 2-ene as your major product. But 2-ene as the major product is my right answer. All right, because only but 2-ene ne, only but1ene. You are getting both the things, but but2ene as your major product because of hyperconjugation. Stability here is because of hyperconjugation. Remember this. All right. Next, 2-butene in the presence of catalyst, optical isomers formed for that product will be what? Now, if I have to talk about the optical isomers, when I have to talk about optical isomers, I should have a stereo center, which is, I mean to say, which is my chiral center. I need to have a chiral center. Chiral center matlab carbon on which you have 4 different groups attached to it. This carbon पे 3 hydrogen है, तो no chiral center. This carbon पे only 1 hydrogen and 2. This is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized में 4 sides तो नहीं होंगे, right? So sp2 hybridized में only 3 sides. I want 4 different groups attached onto the carbon. So here it is not definitely, which means 0. There is no chiral center here. Optical isomerism you will talk about only if you have chiral centers. If you don't have chiral centers, you will not talk about optical isomerism. Remember that. Then the compound CH3 twice, this reacts with alcoholic KOH. Chalo, let us first draw that compound. CH3 twice. Then CH. Then CH3 twice, CH3 twice, and then CH, here a Cl, then CH3 reacts with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH देखते ही you will do elimination. Elimination, chlorine निकल जाएगा Cl-1 के carbon पे positive. Now carbon पे positive बनते ही the next carbon will be helping it, the right side or the left side. I would say here left side will help more because that will be a 2-degree carbon, that will be a 3-degree carbon, more stable group. So hydrogen electron छोड़ के carbon minus बन जाएगा और ये H plus बन के बाहर आ गया. Now minus drops in as a bond, मतलब carbon कार्बन ऊपर एक कार्बन, double bond CH with CH3. This is what you are getting. So which means CH3 twice. Option D is my answer there, right? So in case we are going a little fast, you can please pause it up, then go back and then do it back again. All right. But I want you to finish it as early as possible. Make it fast. Each and every question is important. Each and every question will go by a concept. All right. Next, which of the following alkenes will react fastest with hydrogen? Now, in the previous question, I think in question number 7, check out in the question number 7, we have just now discussed the more alkyl groups on the double bonded carbons you have, more stabilities. Here we are talking about reactivity. Reactivity, which means we want the less stable group. Less stable group here is what? The less substituted alkyl groups. Less substituted alkyl groups, I can see only on A there, only 1 R group here, whereas option B has got 2 R groups, option C has got 3 R groups, 4 has got 4 R groups. So reaction fastest is shown by A, then B, then C, then D. Stable पूछा जाए तो stable is D. The more and more substitutions on your alkyl substitutions on your double bonded carbon is more stable, I would say. So more stable will not be reactive. Less stable is reactive. So least stable is option A there, right? Next, moving on with question number 12. Which of the following compounds on ozonolysis by oxidative hydrolysis will yield propane 1,3 dioic acid, which means oxidative ozonolysis is what we have to go up with here. All right. So now let us go up with this. Ozonolysis pushte hi, I would just place double bond O, and then break it down. All right. So malonic acid. Malonic acid is what? Propan 1,3 dioic acid is getting formed there. How is that formed? First option, let us check. Carbon, double bonded carbon, single bond carbon, and double bond carbon. Yeah. So when I have to go with your oxidation here, like, ozonolysis here, double bond O, break it down, double bond O, break it down, right? So now what is happening here? It is we are getting a C double bond O here, C double bond O here, same wise here, same wise here. This is a CHO group, CHO. This breaks down, and then I am just left out with this. So we are getting 2 CHO groups left out, and here it is malic acid has been produced there, CCC with this group, the middle group, this star group, what you can see here, is my malic acid group. All right, which means option A is my answer there, right? So malonic acid is what I'm getting here. Malonic acid is 3 carbons with terminal carbons to be your double bond OH group there. All right, so that is what we get. All right, moving on to the next question. Next. Propene can be converted into 1-propanol by oxide. Propene, carbon, carbon, double bonded carbon. Okay, is converted to 1-propanol. Pucha. So I just have to check up with my reagents here. So I'm just going up with the normal thing when the bond breaks down. So is पे positive बन गया negative, right? Now the positive comes on the middle carbon, which means OH is coming on the middle carbon. But I don't want that. I want 1-propanol, which means I want the Hoffman product to be my main product. This is my Sedzif product. Okay, Sedzif product is my stable product, which I do not want now. I want 1-propanol, which means carbon, carbon, double bonded carbon, bond breaks. Now the electron should take this, and this is positive. Now terminal carbon पे positive मिलना चाहिए, and that happens in only 2 cases. Anti-Markovnikov rule, addition reaction that happens. Also, your B2H6 alkaline H2O2, B2H6 and peroxide goes with your anti-Markov rule, anti-Markov effect it will show, and then your less stable carbocation is preferred here. Less stable carbocation, which means 1 degree carbocation is being taken, and 1 degree carbocation पे तो OH आ जाएगा, तो 1-propanol ही तो बनेगा, है ना? That is what it is. Next, the major product obtained in the acid catalyzed dehydration. So next question comes in here. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. Now, acid catalyzed dehydration. क्या हो रहा है? Dehydration मतलब OH minus goes in, right? OH minus goes, so definitely this carbon पे positive. Now positive on this carbon, and this carbon is attached here directly to a quaternary. So can I say there will be a shift happening here, right? As the shift happens here, you will get, oh, 1 second, 1 second. We are actually having here, yeah, the shift happens here. So this becomes my positive. So positive बनते ही the next carbon should be helping. Next carbon मतलब एक तो ऊपर left side, ऊपर जो है that carbon you have, and right side you have, or left, right side और left side एक ही तो बात है. So I would say this green dot carbon will have hydrogen that will give away the electron, और ये minus बन जाएगा, and ये H plus बन के बाहर हो गया. Now this minus puts in as a bond here, I would say, right? Which means we are going to get here double bond here. But 1 second, 1 second. Before this, there is some ring expansion happening here. I missed it. I'm so sorry. 1 second. Yeah. Yes, Bacha, again, let's come back to this question again. So this has become positive, right? As this has become positive, do you see this as 5-membered ring? 5-membered ring के बाहर carbon है, and इस पे positive charge आ गया, तो ring expansions are possible. So because 6-membered ring is a more stable ring as compared to your 5-membered ring, then what happens? This bond breaks down. Okay, this electron is being taken, so this attains negative charge, and then यहाँ पे एक बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, मतलब you have a 5 carbons stay 6 carbons बन गए. Okay, and this fellow has attained a positive charge, and then ऊपर CH3 already है. Okay, this carbon has attained a positive charge, and this fellow ऊपर ये जो CH3 star वाला CH3, that is my this star CH3, ये और ये एक ही है. This arrow marks I am showing you to say that these two are the same things. Okay, so this is a ring expansion happened here, and positive आ गया. पॉजिटिव आते ही ऊपर वाला कार्बन दैट जंक्शन पॉइंट पे जो ये जो ब्लैक कार्बन है उस पे तो पॉजिटिव आ गया. पॉजिटिव आते ही साइड में जो कार्बन है वो छोड़ेगा क्या? द नेक्स्ट कार्बन जो बगल में है वो अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन छोड़ के H प्लस बन के बाहर हो जाएगा. सो विच मीन्स दिस कार्बन पे नेगेटिव पुट्स इन एज अ बॉन्ड, विच मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माई C एज माई प्रोडक्ट हियर. Right? See here, ring expansion. Whenever you see a 4-membered ring or a 5-membered ring, 4-membered ring के साथ भी यही होगा. 4-membered ring, उसके ऊपर कार्बन पे चार्ज. 5 membered ring, उसके ऊपर कार्बन पे चार्ज, 5 membered ring will turn to your 6 membered ring. All right, and charge comes on to that junction point there. So as the junction point has got a charge, positive charge, either right side or left side, symmetric है तो कुछ भी चलेगा. This is what it is, right? So option C is what you're getting here. Ring expansion is this case, ring expansion. See, every concept of GOC will go in hydrocarbons. You don't need to do separately. All right. So please remember these things and do it well. And next question. What is B in the following sequence of reactions? As you can see, oh my God, such a long chain. Whenever you see a long chain, remember there will be a cyclic process going on. We have P with phenyl, 3 phenyl groups. You have how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. It is perfect. You will be having 6 carbons here, and ऊपर एक डबल बॉन्ड आ गया तो डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव टिल हियर. सो दिस इज बी आर, इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लिया, सो बी आर पे नेगेटिव आ जाए. आई एम जस्ट रबिंग दिस पार्ट, आई शो यू अगेन व्हाट इट इज. हाँ, now see what is happening here. Carbon has, left the electron to bromine. Bromine has taken away the electron. Br minus बन के छूट गया. Okay, so then this fellow carbon attains a positive charge, and then this fellow breaks the bond. O minus बन गया. O minus बन गया, and Br actually here, you will be getting this Br into this zone also, right? Thereby here, this ring expansion, यहाँ पे ring, expansion नहीं, this is ring formation हो रहा है यहाँ पे, and this CH3 will be on your top of it, which means when this comes back as a double bond again, so as it comes back as a double bond, this will turn into this group, as you can see here, right? Because एक पे positive are same in the, like, whatever has happened in this case, the same thing is also happening here. So positive आते ही the junction point will get a positive, and the next carbon जो है वो अपना electron छोड़ के चला जाएगा, and then that is what it is, the double bond formation we are getting here. All right, so option A is your answer here. All right, next, moving on. Yeah. You may feel that, ma'am, why not option B? But see, whenever you have this, positive charge will come to your point wherein you have more support. More support is this dot which I'm showing you there. Here a star mark which I'm showing you for the interface. That star mark carbon is a more stable carbon, and more stable carbon will attain a positive charge. आते ही क्या करेगा? Next carbon will help it, not the top carbon. Top carbon is only one carbon. You have right side and left side, one carbon each. Same thing it is. So right side carbon or left side carbon, anything can help it, because that's a 2-degree carbon that is helping you out. All right, next up. Out of the following compounds, which of them will have zero dipole moment? Zero dipole moments matlab always trans products, because one is pulling it from one side, other will be pulling it from other side. So diagonal positions, you have a tug of war situation. Diagonally somebody is stretching you, which means you are in a win-win situation. You are not moving, no dipoles there. Otherwise you have cis forms. You have cis is always on one side. One side if you have stretch, so the molecule will have a dipole moment shown. One side opposite and one side this. So trans product, cis cannot be definitely trans. 1, 2 dichloroethylene will have a zero dipole moment. Next, 17. 1-chlorobutane on heating with alcoholic potash. 1-chlorobutane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-chlorobutane on heating. Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic potash is alcoholic KOH. Electron ले लिया, Cl minus. So carbon पे positive. Carbon पे positive आते ही who will help? The other carbon will help. And who is this other carbon? This carbon has got a hydrogen electron छोड़ दिया, and ये minus बन गया. Minus drops in as a bond. Carbon, 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 double bond, carbon बच चुका. That is what it is, right? Now, ma'am, you may have a doubt that, ma'am, positive तो shift कर सकते हैं हम. We can go with a shift on a positive. Yes, we can go with a shift on a positive when we are breaking the bond. When we break the bond, carbon पे positive आते ही, then it looks for, when the carbocation formation होते ही, then it looks for another shift. But here we are not breaking the bond. We are not breaking the double bond, I mean to say. We are not breaking the double bond. We are completely breaking down the bond of chlorine there. So therefore, here, as fast as you can, you have to go. There is no time for the shift here because chlorine has taken away the electron and went off. So it has to be now very quick enough. So now there is no time for the shift. All right. So alcoholic potash, you will get your ene. 1-butene is your answer here. Not 2-butene here. Not 2-butene. It is 1-butene comes up here. Next. Yeah, here also again 18th question, OH minus बन गया CH2 पे plus. Do you observe thing this here? This is a 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring के ऊपर एक कार्बन है, positive charge के साथ है. Then what happens? You will go up with your ring expansion there. Ring expansion, 5-membered ring will turn to 6-membered ring. So these two options gone already. And then you have what? 6-membered ring बन जाता है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ एक bond बना दो, 6-membered ring and then positive on that. So positive आते ही what happens? Then you will be having your electrons dropping down and then you will have a double bond, option C. One double bond, not two double bonds here, right? Because there's only positive on one OH group, so hence it is your option C. See, that's the beauty of your organic chemistry. You can always eliminate two very easily. And then the answer is lied down only into 50-50 option. Hey, all right. Yes. Moving on with question number 19. Rate of hydrogenation of the following alkenes in the order. Rate of hydrogenation. If I have to talk about the rate of the hydrogenation, it has to be the less substituted alkyl groups. More substituted alkyl groups are more stable, which means A is more, one is more stable. One is more stable, मतलब one is the least. So ये दोनों तो चला गया. Your option lies in A or B, which is the least stable. Option 2 खत्म हो गया, आंसर आ गया. देखो, least stable, no R group attached to the double bonded carbon. Whenever you have double bonded carbon पे R groups there, so then it goes up with a more stability. More R groups on double bonded carbon, more stability. See, that's the reason I wanted you to do each and every question, each and every concept will be repeated. You don't need to revise again and again and again. So work out on more number of questions. That is good enough for you. All right, moving on. Reactivity order towards electrophilic addition of these following alkenes. So electrophile, E plus आएगा. Electrophile is E plus. Now E plus जहां पर भी आएगा, E plus should be given more of your negative charge, right? Who is getting the charge there? Who can give more of a charge? E plus. Electrophilic addition आ रहा है, तो you have to go up with a charge. Charge कहाँ पे दिखा सकते हैं हम? Where can we show the charge? I can see option 4 पे, I can see a better charge there because it is resonance stabilized structures, right? So resonance stabilized structures, which you can see here and here, right? Yeah. Option B and option D, both of them I can see as resonance stabilized structures. So option is पे लगा है. And then whichever is the least stable, you can go up. Reactivity order, more stable will be, whichever is least stable is option 4, I would say, because that will be going up with your resonance there, and then go up with your 2 there, option 2, right? So option B is my answer. Khatam ho gaya. Okay, here you have two options there, option 3 or option 2. Option 2 pay, you have chlorine group. Chlorine group is your substituted, it's not your alkyl group, right? So chlorine group is your group which will be showing you the delta positives and all, right? So there positive pay positive आना is least, right? Because chlorine is dragging the electron towards it. As it drags the electron towards it, you have more of positive charge coming on your molecule. More of the positive charge coming on the molecule. E plus cannot come there. So therefore option 2 is the least. Option 2 least जहां पर भी है, खत्म हो गया, वहीं पे आंसर आपका. All right. Acha, I think, okay, you have A and B also going with the same things. No, it is not the same thing. So order is different here. So definitely option B is right. All right. Yes, once again. Next, move on with the next question. Next, moving on with your 21st question, rate of hydration of the following alkenes. Hydration, which means you have to add water there, right? So you have to go up with your, see, I'm just seeing this first, what type of things are. So I have oxygen with a lone pair. Lone pair is substituted, then bond breaks in, and then minus ban jayega. So I have a resonance stabilized thing here, and fluorine is electronegative group which drags the electron towards it more efficiently. Okay, thereby here you have inductive effect shown there on this carbon, and that carbon here, and here another one, what you have here, bond breaks down, electron ले लिया, carbon पे positive, middle carbon, option 3 पे देखो, middle carbon पे positive and this पे negative. Positive charge is on the 2 degree carbon, and then bond breaks down, electron ले लिया, this पे negative, carbon पे positive, and this is benzyl group. Benzyl group पे positive आ गया, that is also good, right? Benzyl पे carbocation पे positive आ गया. Then what is your answer there? So I would say here you can see a resonance there shown here on the first group. All right, and then your fourth position is your benzyl free radical substitution, I can see. And then your 2 degree, which is your third option. And then your F inductive effect. So option C is my answer there. All right. So option C will be going up with. So number one is your resonance stabilized. And then you have benzyl carbocation. O minus drops in bond. I think you can go up with your first option. C, negative open lone pair of electrons will be dropping down because that's your neutral also. The lone pair of electrons will drop down as the double bond, and then next wala double bond will break down, and then C पे negative charge आ गया. So option 1, then 4, then 3, then 2. That's it. Yes. Then moving on. Rate of hydrohalogenation of the following alkenes. Hydrohalogenation, which means you are actually putting in your halogen groups there. Hydrogen and halogen groups should be coming up there, right? So which means I'm just trying to see here, double bond breaks in, you have phenyl group there. Then either of them, first option देखो, either of them can take up a positive charge because it's a symmetric figure. So one पे positive दे दो, one पे negative दे दो. Positive carbon पे one phenyl group you have here. Both the things, you have two resonating structures, na, both of them. So here also same thing, this पे positive and then electron goes there, negative बन गया. Same again, positive यहाँ पे and then negative here. And then you get fourth option also, either of them can get a positive or negative. Now, which is the one which is more stable? As you can see, I would say option 1 is more stable because you have two phenyl groups. Two phenyl groups will be giving you more stability for your carbocation, and then one phenyl group. So option 1 first, then 2, then out of 4 and this, I would say this 4 and then your 3 group, right? So that would be your order here given. Then 1, 2, then 4 and 3. Yes. That would be order. Next, moving up, just look for your stabilities, bacha. Just stability देख के चलते रहो, बस, you're done. All right. So look for your, wherever you are substituting, that has to be a more substituted, more better carbon, which you have to get. Okay. More stable group that we have to get.